Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do addition and subtraction, chapter 3, exercise 3.2. So this is on page number 26. So we have exercise 3.2. Question 1 is add the following. You have already been given the numbers arranged in their places. Okay, so the numbers have been arranged. Now all you have to do is simply add them up. So we have the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and the 10,000s columns. And now we have to simply add. So let's add 3 plus 5 is 8. So we have added the ones column. Now let's go to the tens column. 2 plus 6 is 8. The hundreds column 1 plus 7 is also 8. And thousands column 4 plus 1 is 5. The 10,000s column 5 plus 3 is 8. So we have our answer 85,888. Question 2 also the numbers have been arranged in columns. All we have to do is add it up. So the ones column is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then let's go to the tens column. 2 plus 5 is also 7. Now the hundreds column, 3 plus 1 is 4. The thousands column, 5 plus 2 is 7. Then we have the 10,000s column, 1 plus 5, that is 6. And the lakhs column, 6 plus 3 is 9. So now here we have 9,67,477. Question C. Again, it's all arranged. We just have to add. Now here 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So let's write 5. Let's go to the tens column. 8 plus 0 is 8. Again plus 0 is 8. So this is simply 8. Now let's go to the hundreds column. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So this is 9. Thousands column. 3 plus 2 is 5. 10,000s column. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And in the lakhs column, we have only 6. So we can read the number 6,85,985. Let's add up the ones column. 6 plus 3 is 9. And the other digit is 0. So we don't have to write it. The tens column. 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is 8. The hundreds column 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then let's go to the thousands column. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. The 10,000s column. 3 plus 5 is 8. So you don't have to worry about the 0. Then the lakhs column. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So here we have 8,89,889. Question 2. Arrange in columns and find the sum. So first we have to arrange it in column and find the sum means we have to add it up. Also write the number sentence for each. That means what is their number name. So let's first arrange this. So take the first number. The first number is 23,891. Arranging in columns means we have to put ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Now let's take the second number 15,102. So that is 15,102 and we have to find the sum means we have to add this up. So let's add these two and see what we get. 1 plus 2 is 3. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. So what is our number? Our number is 38,993. We need to write that in words. So that is 38,993. Let's go to the next number. So here let's put our columns ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. These are the places. Let's take the first number which is 43,000 21. 43,021. Let's take the second number, 23,000. So that is 23,715. Now let's add this up. So when we add this, what do we get? 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 0 plus 7 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, when we put our commas correctly, now we can read this number as 66,736. Third one, that is question C. Let's arrange it in columns. So we have ones. Let's write the ones, tens and hundreds properly. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Now here we have three numbers. Let's be careful. The first one is 35,000. So put it in the right columns. 35,245. The second number is 23,412. And the third number is only 1,021. So we have to put it here, 1,021. Now let's add up all these three numbers, add up everything, find the sum. So in the ones column, we have 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So we have 8 here. In the tens column, we have 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now let's go to the hundreds column. 2 plus 4 is 6. So let's write 6. Thousands column. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And the last one in the 10,000s column, 3 plus 2 is 5. So put your comma here. Now read this number as 59,678. Let's go to the next one here, D. Here also we have three numbers. So first let's write the places to get our columns. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So the first number is this, that is 56,123. Let's take the next one, 32,000. 32,150. Let's take the last one, 10,324. So let's add this up. Now let's take the ones column. 3 plus 4 is 7. The tens column, 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. The hundreds column, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. The thousands column, 6 plus 2 is 8. And then the 10,000s column, 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So let's put a comma after 8 and read our number as 98,597. Question E. Let's arrange these again. So let's write our places. So here, can you see it's a 6-digit number. So we have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. To make it a 6-digit number, we have to put lakh also. Now right here, let's write down this number, 4,32,403. Next number is 4,54,052. That's 4 lakh. 4,54,052. Let's add this up. So when we add this up, the ones column will be 3 plus 2 is 5. The tens column is 5. Hundreds column is 4. Thousands column, 2 plus 4 is 6. The 10,000s column, 3 plus 5 is 8. And the lakhs column, 4 plus 4 is 8. So here now we should be careful when we put our commas. After the lakh, we need to put a comma. So let's put here. And after the thousand also, here we have a comma. So now we can read this as 8 lakh. 86,455. We have to write that in words also. So 8 lakh 86,455. Let's go to the next one, F. So let's write down again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6-digit number. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10 thousands, and lakh. So here, let's start by writing the number 8,54,613 and the next number here, 1,23,275. Now let's add this up. So what do we get when we add? In the ones column, 3 plus 5 is 8. Tens column, 1 plus 7 is 8. Hundreds column, 6 plus 2 is 8. Thousands column, 4 plus 3 is 7. 10,000s column, 5 plus 2 is 7. And in the lakhs column, 8 plus 1 is 9. So put your commas correctly after the lakhs place, after the thousands place. So this number will be 9,77,888. Question G. So here we have three sets of numbers and let's see how many digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means we have to go up to lakh, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and then we have lakh. So let's write the number. The first number is 7,52,302. Look at the second one. It is 13,000. So let's put it in the correct column. So 13,425. The third one, that's 31,000. 31,271. Now let's add up all these and see what we get. In the ones column, we have 2 plus 5, 7, plus 1, 8. So this is 8. Then we go to the tens column. 2 plus 7 is 9. Hundreds column. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Thousands column. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 10,000s column. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in the lakhs column we have 7. Let's put a comma after the lakh and after the thousand. So this will be 7,96,998. 7,96,998. Let's go to the next one here. Here also we have three numbers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit numbers. So let's write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and lakh. Let's write the first number, 5,21,255. Second number is also in lakh, so 1,30,303. Second one is also lakh, so 2,41,220. Let's add this up. When we add this up, what do we get? In the ones column, we have 5 plus 3, which is 8. In the tens column, we have 5 plus 2, that is 7. In the hundreds column, we have 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. In the thousands column, 1 plus 1 is 2. In the 10,000s column, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And in the lakhs column, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So put your comma after the lakhs and after the thousands and read it. So now this will be 8,92,778. 8,92,778. Question 3 is add the following by changing into numbers. So here we have it in words. We have to write it in numbers and then that answer we should write in words. So let's look at this. 12,123. This is one number. So let's write it down here. So this number is 12,123. That is this number. And the next number is this. 24,465. That is 24,456. 56. So now let's write down these two numbers. So that is 12,123 plus 24,456. Let's add up these two numbers. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. Put commas after the thousands place and read this number 36,579, which we should write in words also. So 36,579. We've got the answer to question A. Now let's look at question B. Question B here, let's see the numbers. 43,211. Now this is one number. Then we have 1,458,000. That's another number. Then we have the word and, isn't it? So it's separating this and the other number, which is 55,010. So let's write our places first because there are many numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. So the first one is 43,000. So let's put it in the thousands place. So that is 43,211. That's the first number. Second number is 1 lakh. So we have to put that in the lakhs place. So let's do that. 1 lakh. Then we have 458. Look at this. We only have 458. That should come here. 458. So let's write it here. So this is 458. Now what about the thousands place? It's not given here. That means you have to put zeros under 10,000 and a zero under 1,000. So this is 0 here and a 0 here. Now look at the last one. 55,000. So put it under the thousands. So that will be 55,000. And the last part 10. That means we are only going to write 10. So what about this hundreds place here? There's no number. That means we have to put a 0. Now we're going to add up all these and see what we get. So in the ones column, we have 1 plus 8 is 9. In the tens column, we have 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 4 is 6. In the thousands column, 3 plus 5 is 8. In the 10,000s column, 4 plus 5 is 9. And in the lakhs column, we have 1. Put a comma after the lakh and after the thousand and read 1,98,679. That is 1,98,679. So we've written this answer in words. Question C. Let's see how many numbers there are. 2,30,842. Okay, so this is one number. There's a word and here. 5,27,106. So there are two numbers. So let's write it down. Again, let's put the places to make our work easy. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. First one says 2 lakh. So let's put 2 in the lakhs place. Then 30,000. 842. 842. Next one is 5 lakh. 27,000. 106. 106. So this is how we write this. Let's add this up. In the ones column, 2 plus 6 is 8. Then we have 4. The hundreds column, 8 plus 1 is 9. Thousands column is 0 plus 7, which is 7. 10,000s column, 3 plus 2 is 5. And in the lakhs column, 2 plus 5 is 7. Put your comma after the lakh and after the thousand and read 7,57,948. So we have it in words also. Question D. 1,01,020. That's one number. 1,11,222 is another number. Then we have the word and. 2,100,000. So we have our numbers. Let's arrange them in columns. So let's start with ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh because we have lakh also. Let's write on the first number 1 lakh. It says just 1 in the lakhs column and 1,000. So in the thousands column also 1 and 20, only 20. Now all the other places we are going to put zeros, whatever is missing. So now we have 1 lakh, 1,020. Look at the second number, It is 1,11,222. 222. Third one is 2,100,000. So we just put 100 here. So what is missing? The thousands are missing, so we put 2 zeros. Now we add this up. So let's add it up. In the ones column we have 2. In the tens column 2 plus 2 is 4. In the hundreds column 2 plus 1 is 3. Thousands is 2. 10,000s is 1. And lakh is 1 plus 1 plus 2. That is 4. So put your commas after 4 and after 1,000. Now read your number. 4,12,342. That is 4,12,342. So we've written that in words also. So with this, children, we have come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.